What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Boys Family Dinner. We like to go on a budget.
Today we are going to be making Copycat Taco Bell Meximelts and Baja Blast.
Alright, y'all, while we wait for our pan to heat up, we're gonna make our own Baja Blast. So it's gonna be one part Powerade, so however much you want, to about 2.5 parts Mountain Dew. So, just kind of looking at it. You can see it's changing colors. Looks pretty close to me. Ooh, not too bad. All right, so we're gonna get our meat started. So we just used some pre-seasoned ground turkey. If you guys remember, Lindsay isn't a huge fan of red meat, and we just try to just eat a little bit cleaner, healthier, so we're gonna go with ground turkey. If you guys don't have the pre-seasoned one, for some reason this one is cheaper for us. We got this one, but you can season it with just some little cayenne, cumin, paprika, all that kind of fun stuff.
So while Drew is cooking the turkey, I am going to get started on the pico. What do you want? You want some more Wawa? Okay, I'll get you some Wawa. So I am going to get started on the pico. We are going to cut up a couple of tomatoes, some onion, some jalapeno, cilantro, and then we are going to mix it together with some lime and add some salt and just stir that up. So we are going to assemble our Meximelts. So we are going to start with the meat, and if you want to get your meat kind of that Taco Bell consistency, you can put it in the food processor to make those really fine pieces. So we're going to start with our meat, and then we are going to add a good amount of mozzarella cheese. If you want a little spice to this, you could also add pepper jack. And then we are going to take some of our pico and put that in there as well. And then Taco Bell, when you get them fresh from Taco Bell, they're really soft. So we are just going to put that in the microwave for about 10 seconds to melt the cheese and warm up that tortilla. All right. And then once it is done in the microwave, you're just gonna fold the ends in and then roll it from the opposite end. There you go, homemade Meximelt.
All right, y'all, thanks for watching. Can you say bye-bye?
Bye.